To begin, the first step is to access the application, either by downloading it from the App Store or by visiting the website. Once you've arrived at the website, you can create an account and proceed to the homepage, which offers a range of options, including car hire, hotels, events, and activities. The homepage is robust and user-friendly, designed to assist travelers in planning their journeys. The process of booking a flight is straightforward. To start, navigate to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Plan My Bookings, Verification, and My Profile section. From there, click on My Bookings, which will take you to a page where you can manage any upcoming trips. If you haven't booked a trip yet, this section will be empty. To book a flight, click on the icon beside My Bookings, which will redirect you to the flight booking page. From there, you can fill in your travel details, including your departure and arrival locations, and press the search button to access further information about your flight. The process is simple and easy to navigate, allowing you to quickly book a flight and access the information you need. Overall, booking a flight is a straightforward and user-friendly process.